This tutorial will explain the different icon functions in APPCRAFT. Each app can have several scenes. By clicking the button below, you can get a list of all the different scenes and go directly to a certain scene in your app. There may be times where it is useful to select several actors, not just one. In that case, click on the check mark and select multiple actors, or perhaps select all actors. There are only a few functions that can be applied to several actors at once, such as the duplicate actor. You can make several copies of several actors at once. To increase the zoom on a scene, click the plus button. This button will list all the actors on your scene. You can click on Edit to delete an actor, or on a particular actor to select that specific actor. Comes in useful when you have a lot of actors on the screen. The eye will give you information about your scene. You can rename the scene, change the background color. You can turn the physics engine off or on. You can put a wall around your scene so that actors stay inside the scene. And you can change the gravity type or the force of the gravity. The play button will allow you to play your scene, and the plus button at the end will allow you to create a new actor. When you select an actor, you will get a new menu along the bottom. The actor menu appears. Anything you do with this menu applies to the actor that is selected. Click on the bottom left-hand button to give your actor a name. Use the tag feature to group a group of actors. Hide the actor until later in the game if you'd like. And allow the user to move the actor or not by clicking on User Interaction Enabled. This button will add a new image or costume for this actor. The actor image can change during the game. These two images will make the bird appear like it's flying in an animation type way. The T will allow you to add text to an actor or an object. This can be used to create buttons for your app or game that have different words on it. You can change the font or the text color. You can also center or left or right align the text. Much of your work will be done with the Scenario button. This button allows you to add scenarios or scripts to an actor. It tells the actor what to do and when to do it. The Actor Order, sometimes called the Layers button, arranges the actors in different layer order. It allows some actors to lay on top of others. Use this to create a background for your app if you want more than a solid color. And then send the background all the way backwards. Clicking on the plus sign creates a copy or a duplicate of the actor. Clicking on the trash sign can delete the selected actor. Be careful that the correct actor is selected, since there is no undo button. This button pins or anchors part of the image when you rotate. For example, do you want the bird to rotate by pinning down the head or the tail? In this case, you would choose the location that best describes where the tail is or the head, left, center, right, horizontally or vertically. This button controls where you want an actor to be on the screen and how large you would like the actor to be. You can have any words follow the image size as you scale, or you can have them stay a fixed size. This icon refers to the physics. It turns physics on for this actor. There are many options. See the physics tutorial for more details about these options. When you click the padlock, you get to enable or disable position edit. That selects whether the actor can be dragged around the screen by the user. This is useful for objects that should not be moved when touched, like trees or other objects in the game. The finger allows you to control whether an actor or an object should move, rotate, or neither in a game. The flippers on a pinball game would only rotate. Some objects would not move when touched. Others would be allowed to move. You decide. This can be used to adjust the color of an actor by sliding the scales on red, green, blue, or alpha. Alpha controls the transparency. Selecting a parent actor connects one object with another. In this case, moving the sun moves the moon also. See the tutorial on sub-actors for a demo of how this works.